welcome to the Solid State Watch. I'm Shannon Davis, the web editor for Solid State Technology, and now let's take a look at the top headlines we've been tracking from January 30th through February 5th, 2015. The Semiconductor Industry Association announced that global semiconductor industry posted record sales totaling $335.8 billion in 2014, an increase of 9.9% from 2013. Global sales for the month of December 2014 reached $29.1 billion, marking the strongest December on record, while December 2014 sales in the Americas increased 16% compared to December 2013. John Neuffer, President and CEO of Semiconductor Industry Association, said the global semiconductor industry posted its highest ever sales in 2014 thanks to broad and sustained growth across nearly all regions and product categories. The industry now has achieved record sales in 2 consecutive years and is well positioned for continued growth in 2015 and beyond. SEMICON Korea 2015 in Seoul opened this week with more than 500 exhibiting companies and an expected 40,000 attendees. With the backdrop of Korea as a pace setter in the industry in memory and DRAM, SEMICON Korea's press conference expressed an optimistic outlook for both 2015 and for longer-term monolithic growth drivers like the Internet of Things. Denny McGurk, President and CEO of SEMI, summarized recent 2015 semiconductor revenue forecast, which ranged from IDC's 3.6% to VLSI's 7.8%. 2015 semiconductor equipment revenue forecasts varied from Gartner forecasting an increase of 5.6% to the 15% growth SEMI forecasted in early December, which would see revenues approaching historic 2011 spending levels. For semiconductor materials, 2015 could also approach 2011 spending levels. Class One Technology, a wet chemistry semiconductor equipment manufacturer, has announced the acquisition of 2 complete product lines from Microprocess Technologies. Included in the acquisition are the Microprocess spin, rinse, dryer, and spray solvent tool families, which have become Class One's Trident SRD and SST lines. Class One has been actively seeking opportunities to expand its offerings in high-growth segments of the industry. Some of the emerging technologies, such as MEMS, LEDs, power devices, and RF, are estimated to be growing at double-digit annual growth rates. Cambridge Nanotherm this week announced that Ewald Braith has joined the board as a non-exec director. Cambridge Nanotherm has already started to make significant inroads into the LED market with its nanoceramic thermal management solutions for LEDs and other electronics. Braith has now been brought on board to lend his considerable expertise to aiding the company in its growth plans. Braith has worked in a variety of high-profile companies over the last 30 years with a focus in the telecoms and power semiconductor markets. For more industry headlines during the week, be sure to follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. For Solid State Technology Magazine, I'm Shannon Davis. Thanks for watching and see you next week.